Hello, this is Amos Tarfa from LifeSTEM Academy and the Learning Institute for Excellence. We offer classes online and in person in math especially. And I just want to talk briefly about how we teach math and our expectations. When I think about math, I think about a house, right? This is a house that needs a foundation. And how you teach math is very important. So I have a few blocks here to make a point. In math, think of addition and subtraction, multiplication and division as pieces of a puzzle, right? Think of these as the foundation. If your foundation is solid, you can put your house on top and build, right? You can build upward when you have a solid foundation. So we don't use grade-based learning fundamentally for all our students. We might use it to just see where they're at, but we want to work with families to use any resources to help every child flourish in math. What is my dream for math, for LifeSTEM Academy and for math in America? Everybody in calculus in 9th grade. That's the dream, 9th or 10th grade. Why? Because the earlier you get to calculus, the sooner you see the beauty of all the tools in Algebra 1, Algebra 2, all those tools, pre-calculus, and it all comes together in calculus. So please know that we don't use grade-based learning, we don't use Common Core math, we don't use any of those ideas. We literally don't stop learning math, we go year-round. There was a very good concern someone had or asked, about Common Core, and I just wanted to explain that Common Core math, actually, part of the problem I have with it, two major problems. Number one is that it teaches people to not do calculus as a required course, because according to Common Core math, you're doing certain math at certain grade levels, and the last one you do is like Algebra 2 or maybe a little bit of pre-calc, but calculus is not required, and I think that's a low bar. We need to raise the bar. And second thing that Common Core math tries to do sometimes is maybe how things are explained might not look as traditional. Well, I will say that there are different ways to multiply two sets of numbers. We need to help every child find the way that they can multiply numbers the best. And I want to tell all our students, and I want to encourage you to always use the method that works, as long as it's sound, as long as it's accurate, and that you get the answer you need. Did you know that there are some people that can take 5-digit numbers, right, or 4-digit numbers? Let's say 5,729 times 79. They can multiply those numbers in the same amount of time it takes you to multiply 5 times 5. There are people like that. Very interesting. How do they do it? Well, they have certain strategies they use. There are some that started doing it after an accident, which is a different story. So please, again, do not hurt yourself to get good at math. What I'm saying is there are some people that got good at math after some tragedy happened to them. For the general public, however, when you ask those kinds of problems, 5,290 times 79, write the problem down, show your work. If you're lacking any skill, if your house is wobbly, then go back to the foundation. Always go back to the foundation. If you have a solid foundation, then we can build. And if we can build, then we can put our house and we can keep going. This is how math should be taught. Looking at every piece of the foundation, strengthening the foundation, teaching the next topic after kids have mastered what they need. So in our inspirational math series, we start from basic mathematics all the way to calculus, and we always are checking for mastery along the way. You are welcome to use our program if you want. We have our after-school tutoring program, which starts up here now, and you can come in between 4 and 7 p.m. to ask questions online or in person is fine. The goal is to get everyone to flourish and to love math more, and ultimately to show them the history of math, the applications of math, how math connects to different careers, because ultimately we want you to be inspired to live a life that makes sense, using mathematics as a tool. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and have a blessed day.